English Daily Practice. 85 important English phrases for everyday speaking. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? Let's start.
How are you doing today? I hope you're fine. Can you please help me find this street here? I don't really understand what you mean exactly. Could you speak a little slower, please? I'm looking for a good place to eat. What time does the next bus arrive here? I'm not sure if I can do that now. I would like a cup of coffee with milk. How much does this shirt cost in total? Can you tell me how to get to the bank? I'm sorry, but I don't remember your name. Could you please repeat that one more time? It's very nice to meet you in person today. What do you usually do on the weekends? I have never been to this part of town. I really like your idea. It sounds interesting. Do you know where I can buy some fruit? I'm going to visit my family this weekend. I'm learning English because I want to travel. Could you tell me what this word means? I really need some time to think about it. I usually wake up early and go for a walk. I'd like to make a reservation for 2 people. I don't know how to use this machine properly. What's the best way to learn new English words? I'm just looking. Thank you for your help. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Do you want to go out for dinner tonight? I don't feel very well. I think I'm sick. Could you please show me the way to the station? I'll call you back as soon as I can. I forgot to bring my umbrella. It's raining now. I think this is the wrong address, isn't it? I like spending my free time reading good books. I need to charge my phone. The battery is low. Can you recommend a good movie to watch tonight? I'm trying to eat healthier and drink more water. It's too expensive. Can you give me a discount? I'm waiting for my friend. She's a bit late.
If you like this lesson, tap like, hit subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comments.
I'm afraid I can't come to your party tomorrow. Let's go for a walk. The weather is perfect. I'm not interested in buying anything right now. Please let me know when you get home safely. I don't have enough money to buy that item. Can I try this on in the fitting room, please? I'm a little bit tired after a long working day. Do you want to join us for lunch tomorrow? I'll be ready in a few minutes. Please wait. I'm looking forward to seeing you very soon. I usually take the bus to work every morning. I can't believe how beautiful this place really is. I think we should leave now. It's getting late. I forgot my wallet at home. Can you help me? I'd love to, but I already have other plans. What do you think about this new restaurant? I need to go to the supermarket after work. It's been a long time since we last met. I'll text you when I get there, don't worry. I'm so happy to see you again, my friend. What kind of music do you like to listen to? I usually cook dinner at home with my family. Do you have any plans for the weekend yet? Can you send me that photo we took yesterday? I think you should talk to him about that. It's not a big deal. Don't worry about it. I really enjoyed the movie we watched last night. Can I pay by card, or do you take cash only? I'm not sure if I locked the door or not. I'm just checking my messages. Give me a minute. The weather is really nice. Let's go outside. I'm trying to improve my English every single day. It's too noisy here. Can we go somewhere else? I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? I'm planning to travel abroad next summer holiday. Thank you so much for your help today. I'll send you the details later by message. I think we need to buy some groceries today. Sorry, I was late because of the heavy traffic. I hope everything goes well with your new job. I'm really glad we could spend time together today. I'm going to be a little late for the meeting. Could you please send me the address once again? I really appreciate your help. It means a lot. I'm not sure what time we are supposed to start. I need to get some rest. I'm really exhausted.
If you like this lesson, tap like, hit subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comments.